Alright, this is another trash find. It's an Underwood electric 565 electric typewriter. Now this one, I don't really like these. My most favorite typewriter is the IBM Selectric. But I went for it anyway. Saw a case out by the road. I'm like, oh, that's a nice little briefcase or a small suitcase. So I loaded it up in the car and got home and opened it up just recently. No, not too recently, because I had to work on this a little bit. The thing that was wrong with it was it would turn on, but it wouldn't type. And if we see down in there, I have a rubber band in there in place of a belt because I don't have any typewriter belts. I don't even have belts that I could put in the Selectrics that I have. But this is the original belt. It's all stretched out and it wouldn't move. Like it would make a little sag on the big flywheel and motor pulley. But it works, right? It works now. It is nice and quiet. So I'm going to type a little bit on it and then I'll have to leave. So, whoops. Yeah, that's why I don't exactly like these, because the bars cross. Whoops. That. Okay, I'm going to go back over here and go to another line. I know how to type. Whoops. I did L instead of K. And anyway, moving on from that. That I meant quick. Sorry. This is a little difficult doing it with one hand. Alright, that seems to work pretty good. Now with that new belt on it, so yeah. This will be another one to add to the set of typewriters that I have. Didn't have the paper under the thing, so yeah. It's a little, these little typewriters with the with no rollers on the little things can be pain sometimes, because this is like flat on there, and so you have to direct it under there, and if you don't remember to put that down, your paper's going to be all over the place. So anyway, tell me how you liked it, tell me what y'all would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Oh, and one more thing. The return key makes the thing stick, which is probably why the belt was the original was stretched out. But anyway, this will, like I said, this will be another one to put with my others. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true love and daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.